श्रीलंकन वाला को अच्छा लगा, मुंबई वाला को अच्छा लगा, गोवन वाला को अच्छा लगा, फिलिपिनो को अच्छा लगा.
Tesala.
Oh, rava fry, masala fry.
Yeah.
Now inside my stomach like aquarium. Kingfish curry.
Sorry, fish curry.
This is kingfish. Lunch with Irfan.
Thali.
Again.
थाली खाता है किधर खाता है थाली ओके तो ये नहीं
इंडियन एक्टर को पकड़ना बहुत आसान है, इसको पकड़ना बहुत मुश्किल है. So whoever people from Panjim, basically from Goa, they told me Goa is especially seafood. So today we are here to taste seafood. So where are we going?
Yeah, the restrooms are just round there if you need to use especially.
It's classic.
3, 4.
Otherwise, we have to place outside the other section.
Perfect, outside much better.
Classic. Hello. 4.
number.
वेज बिरयानी क्या सर का
Oh, member.
The members only.
Oh, got it.
Menu.
So they serve with what, bread, rice or roti?
They, now, you know, with like traditionally Goans would eat mainly rice and they would eat bread. But now they have roti, naan, whatever you want. Thank you.
What is your best dish? Thali. Okay. Okay. So thali is your best.
That's what I said, you know, the thali with everything. A little bit of vegetable, fried fish, all that. That's it. But if you want to order a la carte, I guess they also have a la carte.
So I will definitely go for thali.
Me too.
Yeah. And
Sorry.
then some, any other crabs, prawns, anything special?
They have.
So we'll have thali plus some a la carte.
We'll see what they have in
Beside you go.
What thali?
fish thali.
Oh, okay.
Coming over. Infant.
I don't know where he is. Sometimes the drivers, they're never comfortable to eat with the guests. That's their problem.
This one, fish thali.
This is the seafood area. This they have. This is that fish thali they're talking. This is the seafood, the Goan seafood if you want to look for that. And then if you're looking for chicken and all, this is like a, not very spicy but with a coconut base, you know, with a garam masala blend of spices. This is more a drier version of it. This is a spicier variety, Vindaloo.
Which one you like? Which one you like? Which one you like?
Sorry,
Which one you like?
I'm going to have a thali. You can decide
fish
what you
thali.
want. Yeah. This is pomfret.
Where's what he likes?
Who?
Your fun.
I don't know where Irfan is, first of all. I doubt he's coming.
Oh no.
You know how they are. They're always feeling like they're not
They're shy.
comfortable to eat with the guest. It's always with most of the drivers. There are very few who will come. Most of the times they don't want to come. Does Manju like, he eats mussels? They have mussels.
No, we don't eat those.
Okay. No, I just want to ask. Then they have, they'll also have, I guess, crab. Yeah, they have crab
Crabs.
if he wants crabs. Or prawns.
Yeah.
Does he have prawns?
Yeah, we eat crabs and prawns.
Okay. Prawns they will have.
But when we eat, you should have to clean it properly.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, he removes all the shells. That's how he cook it.
Ah, okay. These I doubt it will be like that.
That's how
No,
he
no,
eat.
no, 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 no.
And prawns usually be the vein
Yeah. Here they will definitely
and
devein it.
remove the head.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's coming. It's coming. I will ask him to call Irfan. Baby, can you feel call Irfan? Maybe he will not come. Call him.
I doubt he will come because I know how they are. They don't want to come with the guests. That's normal.
Okay,
Huh?
can't force him that much.
But
Huh?
what he will eat?
Yeah, but what can I do now? How many times I
He must
invited
have
him?
gone to eat on his own if he's not yet come. They're like that only. Most drivers here are like that.
Okay, baby, go. What do you want? Which one?
I will go with thali.
Okay. Which one is thali? Yeah, fish thali, she said.
Yeah.
That
Yeah,
is,
yeah. I know.
afternoon, brother.
Then I'll go with compre. Compre?
Yeah.
Go with compre.
Pomfret, how do you want it?
Just fry it.
Yeah, it's fried, but you want with semolina, the Goan style, or butter garlic, whatever type.
Maybe butter garlic.
Okay.
What is rubber fry?
Rava is semolina.
Okay.
You know semolina, right? Yeah, it has a little coating of maybe turmeric powder and chili powder, and then covered with semolina and pan fried.
Spicy? Not really.
I don't think if they put peri peri masala, it will be spicy, but rava fried, I don't think.
So in butter garlic,
Yeah,
they fry also? Or?
yeah.
Yeah, I'll take butter garlic then. And drinks? What drinks we are going to take? What drinks you want? What is Fanny?
Penny is a Goan alcohol.
Oh, okay.
That's how many? How much the penny?
90.
Eh? One bottle or what?
No, it's a
Cashew.
shot.
So I will have one bottle outside.
Cashew Fanny, coconut Fanny.
30 ml.
Coconut penne, cashew penne, local. White wine. Mocktails.
Excuse me. You'll have a thali, you said?
Yeah.
Or what thali you have?
आप इधर किंग फिश वाले कौन सा भी लेके आएगा?
What you want, with kingfish or with prawns? Thali.
कौन सा थाली अच्छा है? किंग फिश और कौन? किंग फिश बता रहेगा क्योंकि बोनलेस रहेगा.
ओके हमको दोनों चाहिए.
कौन सा किंग फिश थाली?
हमको किंग थाली चाहिए, उसमें प्रॉन्स भी चाहिए.
इसमें कौन नहीं रहेगा? किंग फिश
तो
रहेगा.
एक्स्ट्रा दे.
एक्स्ट्रा को रवा फ्राई में
You
ले
want
सकते हैं अलग.
rava fry?
ओके
Yeah. So, 2 thalis,
तो फिश थाली.
1 prawn fry.
कौन रवा फ्राई है?
Yeah. And you'd like pomfret
Yes, please.
with butter garlic?
Yes, please.
1 butter garlic pomfret.
बाटा के लिए कॉम्प्लेट. कॉम्प्लेट के आसपास साइज है. उसका मैं साइज दिखाऊंगा. कॉम्प्लेट का साइज का इसका प्राइस है.
ओके फिर साइज का
Kid size.
कितना साइज से कितना साइज?
He will bring and show you.
आधा किलो का कितना होएगा?
मैं देखा 200 ग्राम का भी है, 300 ग्राम का भी है.
तो बताओ ना प्राइस बताओ.
Only small one.
You know what?
काम करो आधा
Small
किलो
one.
वाला लिखो.
They normally bring the fish, show it to you, and accordingly prepare it. Let him get the
So
fish.
I told him to get half kilo.
Yeah.
So we also can take small.
2 पीस थाली किया तो 1 पाउंड रवा फ्राई किया. हम कॉम्प्लेट में लाके देंगे.
Okay.
आधा किलो लेके आएगा फिर साइज का.
Or
What you
lime
drinks you
soda,
want?
less sweet.
Lime
Yeah.
soda.
सॉल्ट मिक्स है.
Ah,
Okay, we'll
दूसरा-
take. What is that she's drinking? Watermelon, yeah?
must be watermelon.
Can I have
दूसरा कौन सा
watermelon,
गोवन
please?
जूस कौन सा है?
ओवन में सोल करी हुआ है. सोल करी रेसिपी बताइए.
That is with kokum.
Cucumber.
Kokum. Kokum is mangosteen.
Mangosteen.
It's not mango. There's a fruit
Mangosteen,
called
yeah.
mangosteen.
Yeah, we eat
Okay,
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
like a white color, creamy color.
No. It's like a maroony color.
The one we eat, mangosteen.
They make a drink out of it.
The one we eat, no?
That's not mangosteen, right?
There's a mangosteen.
दूसरा कौन सा है?
ऐसा है कि
You forget to eat that one.
इसको कितने लेके आएगा जूस?
हाँ.
Wait, I'll show you mangosteen.
एक ही कर देंगे सोल करी.
1.
दूसरा
What will you have to
Can
drink?
I have watermelon, please?
Watermelon.
वाटरमेलन जूस.
Oh, it's natural, huh?
Yeah.
आणि नुस्त्या मातशें बेगीन हाडा दाखोवपाक.
This one, no, baby, no?
This is mangoes, no?
Mangosteen.
No.
Mangosteen. No.
Mangosteen, mango, two different things.
No, this
No,
is the
mangosteen. It's a fruit called mangosteen.
This
Correct.
one?
Yeah.
Basically from, I know it. You type mangosteen, this mango.
This is mangosteen.
This
This
is
is
the
not mango.
mangosteen.
This is mangosteen.
So this juice I'm going to get.
Yes.
What do you want, mango? You want mango?
Now you don't get fresh mango.
That's the one we sometimes buy and eat.
Anyway, it's my first time to have mangosteen juice also.
Yeah.
We basically eat, this is mangosteen.
This one.
That's mangosteen.
Does it grow here?
Yeah. It grows here.
One.
And I don't want to call him now. I want to call him, I don't want to call him.
I think now there's no point in calling him because he's gone for sure. It's too long a time. If he was coming, he would have come.
Just ask him, baby, go. Where he went.
I think you can take this mic off now.
Yeah.
Baby, just call him.
I in fact wants to ask you because my voice not getting captured, so I won't have mic on the table. You also can keep mic here down. Anyway, yeah. This really helping me. If somewhere we are recording with heavy wind area, like that viewpoint.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is yours, right?
Yeah.
Somebody's coming at the table.
BC restaurant, yeah.
The food is very fresh here and they're nice and clean. So you have a lot of locals coming here, plus of course, people read about it who want to try the local places, they come.
We don't need this here. You want the menu? Oh, it's 2:30 now.
Generally people eat a little late here, no? That's why. Like if you come in many of the restaurants before 1 o'clock, they'll mostly be very empty.
Okay.
Then after 1, it starts sort of building up, filling up.
Like Dubai. Like Dubai.
Yeah.
I think he missed call, baby.
Huh?
He missed call.
Irfan?
I sent him message.
इरफान किधर है भाई? तो अब नहीं आएगा। आना इधर। तुम नहीं खाओ, मत खाओ, चलेगा इधर आ जाओ। मत, हाँ सीधा अंदर आ जाओ। मैं वो
गार्डन एरिया
गार्ड को बता के आया किधर है करके, हम लोग गार्डन एरिया में हैं। हाँ ओके। स्टाइलिश मैन। Lunch with Irfan.
थाली
Again?
थाली खाता है किधर खाता है थाली ओके तो ये नहीं
इंडियन एक्टर को पकड़ना बहुत आसान है, इसको पकड़ना बहुत मुश्किल है। So finally we have Irfan with us for lunch. फोन का बटन सही है?
कभी चलता है क्या भी नहीं?
ये कौन सा फोन है बेसिकली?
सैमसंग है।
सैमसंग कौन सा?
सैमसंग Y20
सैमसंग
Come with
Y20।
the pomfret. That's the pomfret.
वो एक ही है,
ये भी चोना
दोनों लेते हैं।
What is it?
It will be
That's the
no,
one.
no, not for me. I just ordered अनेक थाली को
What
ना
is it?
वो खाली है
ये
तो और एक तीन
What is
थाली
फ्रेश
तीन
राइस,
थाली
ये दोनों लेते हैं।
2000 ये आइटम 2000
ईच आइटम 2000।
क्या प्रिपरेशन लेगा
Sir?
क्या प्रिपरेशन लेके आ रही है
How do you want it prepared?
Okay. How
This
you
is
want?
butter garlic, right?
This one butter garlic. This one fry.
तवा फ्राई ये तवा फ्राई
Bro.
मसाला फ्राई
Masala fry.
Masala fry.
हाफ मसाला कर दो हाफ तवा कर दो ऐसा कर दो या हाफ रवा हाफ मसाला
Rava मतलब क्या है? Bro.
Rava means with the semolina, like how the prawns are coming. The
Okay.
prawns are coming.
Okay.
Crispy, like
Yeah.
crispy.
Yeah.
तो हाफ रवा फ्राई कर दो हाफ मसाला फ्राई कर दो इसका
Yeah.
Okay.
है ना इसका बाटा कर कर दो
इसका butter garlic.
How your
Tupac
drinks?
किधर जाए?
काय ना काय उधर करो.
क्या?
पानी.
What do you
Drinks,
mean?
drinks. Drinks.
नहीं, मैंगो स्टीन पिएगा।
कोकम.
वो नहीं, अच्छा नहीं है।
थोड़ा भी चलता है स्प्रेड. पहले ये कोलवा
फलक कोलवा भी.
फर्स्ट ये करो ना
First ये
टेम्पल
temple. मागे लोटली कोरिया. लोटली करून मागीर कोलवा बेनावलीन ते कोरिया. But
अतिगे जेवण ते बऱ्या मम्मीज किचन
Mom's kitchen. जाना. जाना हा.
ते बडे
So you are very close to this one now.
ते बेनावली रोडाक जाना हांव गेला ते. I've been there.
बरे आहे जेवण
जाना.
सगळे बरे इथे गेस्ट आणा मग बरे दिसणार जेवण बसला
हांवें सांगलेलें ताका बट तो आयकना.
हाँ, watermelon.
कोकम सांगलेलें एक कोकम ज्यूस सांगलेलो. तू कितें घेता? हॅलो.
स्प्राइट इथे आहे
Okay. He's only the server. He's not.
डॉल्फिन चालू झाले हा
Eh?
डॉल्फिन
चालू झाले?
हाय
केन्ना रे?
पर कौन सा
चार
आदमी
पाँच
इधर
दिन
दूर
झाले.
देखिए गए हमको दिया नहीं?
आएगा.
नहीं इरफान,
हां
हमको नहीं दिया, क्यों ऐसा?
वो वाटरमेलन है ना
Watermelon.
ये तो इसमें तो आधा पानी है. It's not full
I
watermelon.
told him to get it natural, but
Taste it, nice. Yeah,
she didn't taste
maybe
it.
it mix of.
I know because I use pure watermelon.
I know that.
कितने तारीख को आप जा रहे हो सर
How restaurant?
कितने तारीख को जा रहे
I
हैं
told him plus
31st.
natural.
31st मडगांव से ट्रेन है 31st मुझे 1 तारीख को उधर मुंबई पहुंचेंगे आप
No, 31st night was Pauta.
पता नहीं
31st night. Tejas Nidhi.
6 घंटे लगे 6-7 घंटे लगे
It's supposed to
7
reach
घंटे.
at 11:30.
AM 11
11:30 night.
कितने बजे?
दोनपरा गेले नी आज
हाँ.
राती कुछ
हाँ,
पावता.
बरोबर.
Same night.
इरफान तो लास्ट तक हमारा साथ थे ना,
है आपके साथ
सिर्फ आप चेंज होएगा.
हाँ.
31st without guide.
We'll just drop you to the
Yeah.
station.
ऑनली ड्राइव
12:30 is your train, no?
Yeah.
So कितला इकरांग by search बदले.
11 बजे तक.
यार कितने ट्रेन है
12:30, no?
I don't know. I don't know. I have to check.
चेक चेक
12:30 I think. 12:30 is 11 o'clock पूरा मरे. 11:45.
थोड़ा जल्दी निकलेगा तो अच्छा
So तो नहीं कह रहा.
फरवरी में इसमें वेरना में ट्रैफिक
जाने के लिए कितना
वेरना
टाइम
आपको है
हाँ.
1 घंटा पकड़ के चलो सर 1-1.25 घंटा
तो
पकड़ के
10 बजे निकलेगा.
चलेगा नहीं 10:30 बजे निकले तो कोई बात नहीं
10 बजे निकलेगा,
हाँ.
रास्ता में कुछ स्नैक करेगा.
10:30 is more than enough. 10 बजे निकलेंगे तो 11:30 तक पहुंचेंगे ना आप.
तो हम रास्ता में कुछ स्नैक करेगा, चाय पिएगा,
ओके
फिर उधर जाके थोड़ा वीडियो करेगा.
हाँ तो 10 बजे निकालो.
करेक्ट.
मरगांव में ना उसको वो ओल्ड चर्च एरिया है ना वहाँ थोड़ा घुमाओ.
वो हम लोग जाता है बस स्टैंड के अंदर थोड़ा
अंदर जाके
हाँ.
वो
ओल्ड हाउस है एकदम
और जो चर्च है और ओल्ड हाउस है ना वो एरिया दिखा के स्टेशन लेके
ओके
जाओ.
चलेगा
तो 10 बजे निकालो. वैसे तो 10 बजे निकालो.
So India में generally things very cheap, yeah?
Depends on areas.
Like स्कूटी तो ऑलमोस्ट हर एक का पास है। स्कूटी कितना है इधर?
रेंट पे
नहीं खरीदने में
कॉस्टिंग
10,000
1 lakhs
1 लाख को है
वाह मैं लिया है ना यार पसंद
1
लिया है।
lakh?
1 lakhs 10,000 इंस्टॉलमेंट
on EMIs.
EMI कैश 95
अच्छा फिर भी एक्सपेंसिव हुए।
हाँ
It's gone up, no?
या
And अभी तो थोड़ा कम होगा क्योंकि GST
जीएसटी कम हो गया है
कम हो गया है, तो थोड़ा कम होगा.
जीएसटी टैक्स कम हो गया
तो स्कूटी खरीदना इतना आसान नहीं बिकॉज आई थिंक एवरेज।
सेकेंड मिल जाएगा
ओके
सेकेंड मिल जाएगा न्यू नया शोरूम से उसका रेट 1 लाख का है। स्कूटी भी डिपेंड करता है कौन सा स्कूटी हाँ
तो लोवेस्ट कैटेगरी का स्कूटी 95
लोग
होगा
एकदम मिडिल क्लास के लिए 1 लाख है न्यू
बट अच्छा वाला भी है उसका ऊपर
उसके ऊपर 2 लाख 3 लाख 5 लाख ऐसा है
अच्छा ऐसा भी है। वो क्या है उधर बंद लोग की वो
सिगरेट मार रहे हैं अंदर
अच्छा दैट स्मोकिंग एरिया
सिगरेट मारने का
विच इज गुड।
Just want to catch that guy's. Just want to catch his attention. Ask him where's your drink and order his drink.
you start हम सिगरेट छोड़ के अभी 4 महीना हो गया। I was kind of chain smoker for about 25 years.
My
Hello?
husband also used to smoke, but now he's given
Hello?
up for the last
Hello?
25 years or so. My son-in-law is
Yeah,
smoking.
man.
Hopefully he'll give up.
2 बजे तक
Maria.
वेट किया निकला हो
Can't see seat number or departure time in
It
here.
is there. Here.
2 बजे तक वेट करके निकला हूँ 4 बजे चलेगा 4 बजे
Here. This side. It is one window side and one.
One aisle.
Okay. Yeah.
अलग अलग है
दो सीट ना.
हाँ सामने
सामने मतलब साइड बाय साइड.
हाँ
और डिपार्चर टाइम ऊपर रहेगा.
फर्स्ट क्लास है
वो डोम विस्टा डोम right in the front so that they can turn the seats around.
स्लीपर है सोने का आराम
Departure.
सोने के लिए
They've not given the timing.
Correct.
Train number, all that. Departure timing, but I'll ask them to find out. Yeah, not available. Let's see. I'll ask the office.
But date confirmed, right?
Date is there. Yeah.
31st
Yeah. Date is confirmed here. 31st. Only
Okay.
timing is not shown.
Okay.
I will ask the office.
Maybe they are not so sure what time train going to depart. So I hope it won't be earlier than 12:30.
It will not be earlier. It can be later. But I don't know. Let me just double check.
ऐसा तो नहीं है टिकट लेने के बाद में हमको चोर के ट्रेन चला गया।
नहीं.
आप टेंशन मत लो मैं ट्रेन में बिठा के जाऊंगा वहाँ से ठीक है
इरफान को बोलते फुल भरोसा है।
आपको ट्रेन में बिठाएगा जब ट्रेन जाएगा जब जाएगा वहाँ
Hello. Why go? They are leaving on the 31st by Tejas, no? But on their ticket, the timing is not shown. Can you just find out the departure time and let me know? Because accordingly, they have to leave the hotel. That's it. Timing काय ना? Yeah.
मुंबई के लिए 2-3 जाता है ट्रेन मुंबई के लिए एक दिन में 2-3 जाता है ट्रेन
ओके
अब वो कौन सा टाइमिंग है पता नहीं है वो भी अच्छा है आपने बोला बोल
That Vande Bharat is the best. It is on time and it is a very good train.
But 31st and 30th, no Vande Bharat. Vande Bharat is next train is on 3rd somewhere.
Oh.
2nd, no 3rd.
Yeah, there are days it doesn't fly.
Correct.
That is also there. Because this is off season, no? So I think from November then they will be almost every day.
हाँ.
अरे दूसरा फिश नहीं लाया और थाली लाया.
चलेगा, जो भी है आने दे. ये भी खाएगा, वो भी खाएगा, तब आएगा.
Yeah, that's the
कल रात में क्या खाया
the
आपने?
only thing.
हाँ?
कल रात को होटल में खाया बाहर गया
अरे यार ये वाइट रस है वो खा के थक गया था.
Salt curry, this is yours. Sprite for him.
स्प्राइट कौन सा लें?
आपको स्प्राइट चाहिए?
हाँ स्प्राइट
स्प्राइट लगे स्प्राइट
इधर लेमन जूस आ रहा है इधर स्प्राइट है
लाइम सोडा
It's coming. The fish is coming.
लाइम सोडा लेके आओ.
This is basically what they call a thali, a little bit of everything.
Oh, I thought this the fish is called thali.
No, 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 no. Thali means a combination of everything. A little bit of everything.
That's how it is.
No, no.
That is
So we have thali, rice, papad,
पापड़
kingfish curry.
सॉरी फिश कड़ी
This is kingfish, right?
फिश कड़ी
And
Yeah.
this is beetroot.
No, that is red spinach, what
Okay.
we call amaranthus.
And this one?
That is
तीसरी की आप
that is
चिट्टी
Some shell.
that is no cockles, shellfish.
Okay. And this?
Cockles. That is. Let me just give me a spoon. Can I just check it? Spoon.
ये तो कोई पानी का चीज़ है.
ना हाँ वही सेम हो
This is sweet.
This is
पूरा
fish.
खाने के बाद ये पीने
Okay.
शुरू करें
This is a spicy preparation of fish. This is like a milder one, and this is a salad with dry prawns. Salad
This one?
with dry prawns. We call it kismod.
Kismol.
Kismod. That is
Banana?
with the garam, fish only with the garam masala,
Okay.
and that is a spicy variety, the red one. Fish only.
Okay.
But, yeah,
But spicy.
a little spicy.
आप चलता है ना स्पाइसी
हाँ हाँ. मेरे को एक ही चीज़ पसंद नहीं आया शेल. बट वो भी ट्राई करेगा लास्ट में.
मैं कल आया थोड़ा सा हाथ बताया
पता है? ये बात में जाएगा लास्ट में. Maybe you will enjoy. You can have some from my plate.
We'll ask them for a plate.
Why
Wait.
this
That's
one?
your kokum. That's the mangosteen juice.
तो ये भी मैंगो स्टीम है ना?
This comes with the thali that you had asked for it, no? So the edit, yeah, mangosteen. I think with coconut milk in it.
spicy.
Yeah, because there's green
Like this.
chili added in it.
आप वही देगा
Wait.
अले मैं इधर ला
एक प्लेट चाहिए, खाली प्लेट. Yeah.
चालू करो
Go, start. Don't worry.
Thank you.
Can I just have a fork, please? Thank you. There comes prawns, yeah. You can have some of the rice, sir.
So this is dry prawn salad.
Yeah, dry prawn salad with coconut.
Irfan.
नो नो
Oh, you're not eating?
नहीं नहीं मैं खाया था ये चल रहा है
Oh, he doesn't
चल रहा
eat.
है
भाई बहुत ऑर्डर किया, ये ख़त्म होने वाला नहीं है, तो जो भी खाने का ये खाओ। आज फेस्टिवल का दिन है, बाद में नहीं मिलेगा। Try all this one. This is what जो भी tasty.
इसका होटल पंजिम बैक साइड में भी है, जरा छोटा है।
This look very spicy, but it's sweet. This is a mango pickle dough. Arya also take, Irfan also take one.
कभी जैसे रात को कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हुआ ना कुछ भी चाहिए खाने पीने के लिए मेरा फ्रेंड है वो बाइक चलाता है उसको पायलट बोलते हैं पायलट
Pilot.
वो फ्रेंड है बस स्टैंड बॉय त्यासाठी राहतो
स्विमिंग करते टाकतो
कुछ भी चाहिए रात को 11 12 2 3 बजे तक
आज तो कुछ नहीं खाएगा और भी खाएगा ना वो प्रोटीन हो जाएगा
नहीं
अभी इधर किंग फिश प्रॉन पॉम्फ्रेट व्हाट इज अदर फिश
I don't know.
Eat slowly, पॉम्फ्रेट करेगा मैं That shell
Yeah, nothing.
not nice.
I don't know. There's something inside. I don't think.
Coconut.
Coconut only.
Coconut and masala. Like a blend of different spices. What we call a garam masala.
So they remove the one inside of the shell.
Sorry?
They remove the one inside of the shell.
One side they remove.
So where is the other one? I mean, where's the one inside the shell?
It should be there sometimes. Yeah. Here.
Oh, the shell's bigger.
Yeah.
This one's small.
Depends on the shell.
शिराने वळले असतात ना वळले शिराने
Ah, yeah, there is.
Put that in your plate, no? Everything put in your plate. So thali is very special in India, yeah? Thali.
Thali means like little bit of everything with the rice. Like in a vegetarian restaurant, you may also get a roti or a puri or chapati. Because this is a fish thali, they don't normally have roti.
Yeah.
Can you take this? That's pomfret butter garlic.
It's a plate of it.
Huh?
Plate.
Pomfret butter garlic.
Pomfret and the other fish, I think both butter garlic, and then we'll bring the garam masala. I mean the masala one separate.
You can
Yeah, yeah.
Sorry. Sorry.
No, it's okay.
Irfan, take. इतना हिस्सा
Done well, the butter garlic. Really done well.
so nice. इरफान प्लीज टेक ना यार चावल कन से इसमें से एक पीस उठा के खाओ आई विल नॉट हैव एनी मोर आई एम डन विद दिस फिश दूसरा फिश है उसके एक छोटा स्मॉल पीस का आएगा Both of you take more. Give me the front. Now inside my stomach like an aquarium. How many?
Different types of fishes. That is nice, huh?
So Goa good or not good? Goa is not good. If I am here, I will be like an elephant. Every day eating.
Yeah, you used to be big.
Now, today no dinner, tomorrow no breakfast.
Yeah, he used to be big. He used to be big. How many kg before?
86. Now 78. So sometime I will have 2 days, 3 days, no carbs at all. Salad, broccoli, cucumber. And then one weekend I will go and eat KFC, pizza.
Binge.
Yeah, so when I want to eat something special, I am preparing myself. Or go and swim 1-2 kilometers and then come. Then I am ready to eat.
Yeah.
Pomfret
no,
is
no,
here.
pomfret here. No,
That's not pomfret, that's that other fish.
Ah,
Half masala and half.
half chana.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Oh my goodness, Irfan.
तो ये बताओ ये कौन सा है?
That is the rawa fry. This is the masala.
ओ रवा फ्राई मसाला फ्राई।
Yeah.
आओ भाई आओ।
We'll take home.
Yeah, we can take some home.
Yeah, you can take home.
We'll divide it.
A bit too much.
All very nice, huh? All very nice.
Small one.
पक्का। आप फिश पसंद करता है ना?
सब करता है, बस हो गया, मेरा पेट भर गया।
तो चावल क्यों कहते हैं? हमको मालूम नहीं, इतना ऑर्डर किया करके। आज मच्छी का दिन है। I think this must be very fresh, right?
Yeah.
That's why we feel the taste.
It's when they bring fresh fish, plus it's freshly prepared,
Correct.
and it's not overcooked. Sometimes when you overcook the fish, the flavor goes. Just done right. Can I have one? Thank you. I'll ask you to give you.
What happened?
We ordered a bit too much, I think.
Mummy's kitchen.
We don't have choice as well. We want to taste, right? So we can't order one piece. गोवा आया तो मच्छी खा के ही जाने गए, अब तो पूरा मच्छी का आया। नींबू को मछली बोलते हैं ना? Why foreigners not allowed that inside the temple?
Initially they used to allow,
Okay.
but then we had the Russian charters coming in, no? So many times their dress code will be very indignified. Even if you tell them, like, you pretend some of them not to understand and just wear whatever they want and go inside. So
okay.
because of that, they didn't say prohibited, they said restricted. Initially we used to go without, and after the Russians started coming in, sometimes the Russians can be quite bad.
Why security thought I am a Nepali?
Because of her.
Okay. So this time security thought you are Nepali. So your face.
So yesterday, that boy asked me which country I am. He says all everything like Chinese, Taiwanese, Korea. And then my name is Philippines. And then
But you know, the northeastern states of India, Assam, Meghalaya, Shillong, Manipur, they all have features like you because they're closer to the Tibetan border.
actually I have a Spanish. That's why. My grandmother. Mother is Philippines.
Yeah, exactly.
Actually, why people coming from Tibetan border to Goa, especially boys, to work for 14,000-15,000 rupees?
Because I think compared to what they have back home, this is big money for them.
14,000-15,000.
See, the Goans, I'll tell you, the Goans youngsters are not really working in any of the hotel line in Goa.
Yeah.
Because it's a low wage. Because our standard of living comparatively is much higher. And so our people are working in the Gulf. They're working on cruise liners, working in Europe, all over, sending their money. With the result that people from all these Meghalaya, Assam, the Seven Sisters as we call them, they come and work here. Because I think comparatively to their state or to their area, it is big money. Similarly, in the labor class, like, construction, all this technical, you will find a lot of people from Jharkhand, UP, all this area. Because see, like these boys who are working in the hotels and all are only getting 14,000-15,000 a month. But if you are working on physical labor, they get anywhere between 7 to 1,500 a day. But of course, that is hard physical labor. Now, these same workers, if they're working in Jharkhand or Uttar Pradesh or Bihar, they would barely get 200 or something a month, a day. So for them, it's a big leap.
Almost double.
To what they get in their state. So that is why they all come and work around Goa. Like in the casinos, you have all people from the northeastern states. You'll notice. Then in all the construction sites and all, you have people from West Bengal, from Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh, all these places. The Goans are going and working somewhere else.
Anything else?
No, I'm done, my God.
Why? Isko, how you want to take this one? Irfan and
Because
Arya?
तू आता है करा?
हम लोग को नहीं चाहिए. You two
Okay.
take however you want. Guys, hello. इसको पार्सल चाहिए, कैसा चाहिए बताओ, और बिल चाहिए.
सेपरेट कर दो सब.
And bring the bill also.
ये थोड़ा और ये एक में डालो और ये थोड़ा और ये एक में डालो.
अलग अलग पकाएगा नहीं वही खाएगा रात को पकाएगा नहीं वही खाएगा
हाँ अभी मेरे को आई डोंट वांट टू टेक इफ नॉट आई विल एंड अप ईटिंग अगेन सो मे बी यू कैन बाई सम फ्रूट्स यू ऑल्सो नो प्रोटीन
Okay.
यस लिटिल बिट थिंग तो इरफान को खाना कैसा लगा मुंबई
इरफान-
वाला को पसंद ना आया
Irfan taka tissue आणि some fruits आणि water घेऊन जाईल. ती रावया supermarket.
बरे
येते हाते. But the supermarket had there.
Right.
So you know, taka घेऊन ये and make it hotel. Then you want to go back to the hotel, right?
या
Yeah.
त्याला ते सोडू
Mama sure हानी होती corner रखते अच्छे रे. साहेबा.
येतात
हा येते ड्रॉप करू. होय. थिसर होती supermarket हाती घेऊन ये मग ड्रॉप करूया. Yeah, fruits. I also do the same thing. When I have a heavy lunch, dinner is only fruits.
या
It helps to keep you balanced.
correct so it was very nice lunch
Thank you for the
Yeah.
lunch.
श्रीलंकन वाला को अच्छा लगा मुंबई वाला को अच्छा लगा गोवन वाला को अच्छा लगा फिलिपिनो को अच्छा लगा
The butter garlic was really nice.
everything I think you
I
know
mean, for me, that was special. I don't know.
Butter
But it was
garlic,
good.
yeah?
Butter garlic I felt was very nice, right?
And that one, the other one is soft.
Yeah.
the little different taste
Taste.
even compared to you know Kerala food and Punjabi food I tasted many food in Dubai taste wise different but you know very different taste enjoyable
Good.
I think we don't have Goan in Dubai.
Punjabi mainly is more, you know, it's very heavy, I feel, and rich. It's good,
Yeah.
but it's heavy and rich. You can't
Yeah.
eat too much of it.
yeah
It's nice. I love their food, but I find it heavy and rich.
लंच किया तो डिनर करने का नहीं आप डिनर नहीं कर सकते लाइटली सांच्या डिनर करपाचे ना नो
done thank you so much for watching if you come Goa then don't miss what's the restaurant name
Ritz Classic.
Ritz Classic
पंजिम
Panjim
खाना
yeah see you there that is down